Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your gender on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then right here tap at menu icon, then tap at your profile picture. Then you should scroll down for a bit until you find see your about info. Just tap on that. Then scroll down, and just under the contacts you can find this basic info, which includes mail option. In order to edit these settings, hit right here on edit. Then you can select your gender. You can select from female, male and custom. Just by tapping at these genders, you can select them. If you want to select custom, you can tap on that. That opens up these extra options. You can type in your custom gender, and then you can set a pronunciation. You can hit right here and select between three different options: female, male and neutral. You can select any of them, and also after that you can set the privacy for that data. You can hit right here at that gray lock icon, and then you can switch it to public, friends of friends, friends and only me. Once you have finished with that, just don't forget to hit right here at save. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.